but we've got enough depth in the squad to be able to put inside a very competitive team to win the match. But yeah, we've also been following AmaZulu's progress in pre-season, not always easy. The first couple of weeks, of course, without the coach and preparing and going about things without some of the players. Going into about week 4 where they got involved in this Premier Cup and games against AmaZulu, which was televised, the final, which was televised. We've got footage. They've done exceptionally well in the market. They've brought in some very good players, some very experienced players. And we could see in the previous match against Cape Town City, Philani Zulu has settled in very, very well. It gives them, especially after losing Mabiliso, he gives them that energetic fullback that they need on the left to arrive in the final third and to deliver crosses.